Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. It is, what is today? Sunday? Sunday, May 30th. And last night was really nice. Dinner was good. And temps were comfortable. There was absolutely no wind, and we enjoyed this fire. I got to say, having the fire pit is actually really nice. I kind of knocked it for a long time because I like burning wood, having real wood fires when I'm camping, just because there's something about it. But gotta say, actually, it was pretty nice having it, and not smelling like fire in the tent and all of our clothes is kind of enjoyable. So we're just up having some coffee. It is just past 7, and we're gonna make some breakfast, bacon and eggs, and we're gonna get camp cleaned up and dishes and do a few things, re-up some water, and then we're going to be hitting the old Mojave Road and covering some ground today. So we did about a third of it yesterday, and looking at the map, we're just going to go for like another third today. I think we're going to see the volcanic lava tubes today, and once we get over, I think it's Kelso Road, and get onto that other side of the preserve, we'll start looking for camp over in that area. So should be a nice day. I think we'll try to get out of here around, I don't know, maybe 9ish, and get on the road and cover some ground. That was a rough section of road. It seemed like it took us 2 hours to travel what felt like 5 miles, but it was a lot further than that. But man, just between the washboard sections of everything and then 3-foot whoops for what felt like an eternity, it was averaging under 10 miles an hour for the last couple of hours probably. I don't know, felt like it. We might have covered more ground than that. But we made it to the Mojave mailbox. So we're going to check this out because we haven't done that before. and supposedly there's a frog shrine behind it. We need to cover some ground, hit these volcanic tubes, and then find camp for the day. Because this road was a lot slower coming here than I thought it was going to be. So, need to cover some ground. Because I would like to set up camp, get the privacy shelter set up, shower, have a little bit more time to relax, and not feel rushed this evening, because we can finish out the trail tomorrow. So let's get to the tubes. See ya. Well, we literally made it in the nick of time. Timing could not have been better. There was at least, no exaggeration, 30 cars. 25 alone in that group that came out. We're gonna go down into these tubes of the lava and, you know, see if we can, I don't know, see something neat. Let's check it out. I'm gonna have to carry my dog back. This is really hard on her feet. I feel bad for her. All right, I think we're at it. Let's see what this is all about. Pretty cool. Maybe not looking straight ahead, but looking down, it's gonna be maybe like left or right. Mm-hmm. Left of it. Or no, I mean, just look. Oh, yeah. Well, guys, that was pretty freaking cool. Not gonna lie. Glad we made it when we did. That was beautiful. Well worth the drive. Now it's Honey's turn. How's Doggo?
Oh, do you want to take her back to the car?
No, wait. My dog's old. Don't get me wrong, she'll still kick your ass. But her feet's hurt. So we're gonna carry her back to the truck. Gotta take care of my dog.
Oh, such a good dad, dog dad.
So once you pass that volcanic area, you drop elevation a lot. You just kind of end up in the dry desert. And I remember all this area from doing the trip on the bikes, but it's not really, unless it's wintertime, not really like a place you want to camp at the end of May. So it's 3 o'clock right now, and we're just kind of changing the game plan, and we're gonna go ahead and push through likely the Soda Dry Lake bed, probably hit up Traveler's Monument, and get on the other side closer to the Afton Canyon area and try to set up camp there. That way we burn a couple of the hours left today, get closer to you know, the sun going down, a little bit lower temps. So we'll just kill some of that time and keep traveling, and then that just means the trip will be a little bit shorter tomorrow. So I think we're just winging it. Just gonna see what happens. So yeah, pushing through. you leave our rock?
I left your rock.
Okay, good.
It's our love rock.
We've been here. Now you can find our love rock at Traveler's Monument. Passing through, folks. Passing through. Well, gosh dang, guys. We didn't sit, we drove. Look at this. We're in the middle of the desert. Middle of the freaking desert. We drove around this stuff for like 35, 40 minutes.
Yeah.
There's some really big trees, like giant oak trees. They look like oak trees right out here, and they're huge. And it's in the middle of nowhere. And there's nobody out here. And there's a group of people camped in the shade.
There is people out here.
Right? There is people out here. So we drove around just all this greenery, and we were just looking for something that would provide some shade for the dog, because it is 100. We pulled in here, it was 107 degrees. It's probably 104 right now. And this fly wants to eat me while I'm recording. I'm sorry. But we got camp set up. It is really hot. So I would say if you're going to do this time of year, go the west to east way so you end up in the higher elevation when you're camping instead of down here, because we're in the very flats of the desert. We dropped probably 1,500 foot of elevation today coming the trail this way. Cross dry soda lake bed, stopped in at Traveler's Monument for like a second. She got out. I didn't even get out. She got out and left her rock. Well, let me show you around camp, because we're set up and we're just chilling. We just poured a drink and we're just going to cool off. So let me show you what we got set up. We've got the awning out, of course. We've got it staked down. It was a little breezy, so we got it tied off to some heavy objects. We've got the fire pit out. We've got Dog and Haley chilling in the shade. Thank goodness this canopy came. I'm telling you, we didn't have it last time. But we've got the Jackery, which had like kind of a seizure situation. It was fully charged. I plugged it into the fridge and it went to 0%. Don't know what that was about. We let it chill for a second. Back to 100%. So we got the fridge running. Everything's frozen. Everything's good. Barbecue setup, because we're going to do a super delicious dinner. You guys are going to see that. We're doing a special pizza night. Check this out. This is Haley's El Special. Honey. Look at this. We got the Helianopindalas. Something like that. I tried that last night. The Nemo privacy shelter. It's giant. It's a 4x4. 4x4. We've got a shower in there, because that's really for me. I cannot wait to shower. Been sweating all day. Got I think that's a little over 4 gallons, maybe 4.5, maybe 5, or something like that, with a pressure pump and a hose. And we've got the special pooper, flush pooper. So this is a giant tent. It's plenty breezy. Lots of room inside. I'm going to be showering here before dinner. I really personally can't wait for that. But we're going to sit down and wait and just hang out, because it's 540, triple digits. It's a dry heat. It's a dry heat. And we're just going to relax, and we're going to start drink number 2. And then in the next segment of this, when we're cooking, there's going to be slurring and things happening, so don't laugh, okay? It's not funny. This is what happens when you relax. You start slurring, and we can't say pizza right. Pizza. I want pizza. But that's it, guys. We're going to hang out and we got 1 bar of 4G out here, just enough to stream music. So we're really spoiled right now. We got our drinks, we got our music streaming, and we're doing flatbread pizzas tonight. So stay tuned for that. We'll be back here in just, a second. Bye.